Elena Michelle and welcome to yet another video. So this video is all about not reviewing, not tutorials, but about a 3-minute makeup challenge. Okay guys, so this is my first challenge and I'm really excited for this. And let's hope for the best. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I have already set my timer to 3 minutes right here. And I'm ready with my tied hairs, as you can see, and I have done a little justice to myself. That is, I've opened all my products, like I have opened and kept them right here, and I hope I will be able to cover all of my makeup products. So let's hope for the best, and without any further ado, let's get started. So my timer has started, and first I will be taking my moisturizing cream, and here I'm using my Avon moisturizing cream and quickly moisturizing my face, and I'm not using any beauty blender. Then I will be taking my foundation and quickly blending it off. So then I will be taking my Maybelline's palette to do my eyebrows, and I will link everything in my description box because I don't have time to tell everything. So here, I think I'm almost done with my eyebrows. This way. Okay, and then quickly I will be putting some eyeshadow right from this palette itself, like this. And quickly, I'm just making things fall. So here it's visible without concealer. Good, I like the shade. Okay, and then quickly going with the same palette and this eyeshadow right here, black one, smoke it out a little bit. Quickly. Okay, and I have just smoked out this a little bit, and then putting some kajal, and I'm just making my kajal look thicker. Okay, and then I will be going with my blush. So for blush, I'm taking this lipstick for giving a good blush right here. Okay, and then I'm setting my face with a powder, and this is my Maybelline's powder. I have very less time now. Okay, and then quickly I will be now going with my moisturizer, which is mixed with this, I hope you can see, to make it a straw cream, and quickly putting it here and here and here. Okay, and then going with my mascara. Okay, this way. I have not applied my lipstick. Okay, first I should apply my lipstick. I'm applying the same shade, and I'm done. Okay guys, so this was my makeup in just three minutes. So guys, that's all, and I have completed my makeup in just 3 minutes, and I have used almost all of my products except the concealer and my bronzer or contour, and I don't contour usually, so apart from that I have almost covered everything except one more thing, that is my makeup setter. So just going on a little bit with it. And also, so first talking about my makeup, so I have done pretty well, I guess. I have created a nice smoky eye, but actually not a smoky eye. I have just topped this with a golden brownish type of golden bronze color, which is very beautiful. You can see, I guess. I hope you all can see. And I have just topped that with not my liner, but with a black smoky effect, and I really like that. थोड़ा सा बस इसमें uneven हो रहा है, which I can obviously this is a 3 minute and I have created an eyeshadow also, so I'm really proud of myself for this thing. And apart from that, I think my base has set a little nicely, only my scars are visible here. Please don't forget to comment down that how is my makeup and rate it on the scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. So I hope you all loved my video, and if you want to continue watching such challenges, please give me more ideas and hit like, subscribe and share to my channel, and I love you all a lot. Bye.